In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a column into a table in Draw.io. First, open your web browser and head over to draw.io. This is a free browser-based diagramming tool, and everything we're about to do works on a blank diagram or an existing file. Once your workspace is open and you can see the canvas, we'll add a table to get started. Look over to the left-hand panel. At the top of that panel, you'll see a search bar. Click into it and type the word table. Draw.io will filter the shape library and show you a table element. Click and drag that table onto your canvas. You can position it anywhere you like. If the table looks a bit small or large, use the blue handles around it to resize. You can also zoom in or out to make it easier to see your cells. Now click once on the table to select it. When it's selected, a toolbar appears along the upper middle of the interface. This toolbar contains the table options you need. Look for the icons that indicate inserting columns. You'll see one for adding a column to the left and another for adding a column to the right. Choose the direction that fits your layout and click it. Each click adds one new column on that side of the selected cell or table selection. If you add a column by mistake, press undo or use the delete column option in the same toolbar to reverse it. After inserting your column, you can adjust widths by dragging the vertical dividers between columns. Double-click inside any cell to add text and press Tab to move to the next cell quickly. If the table options aren't visible, make sure the table is actually selected. A faint blue outline and the resize handles are good indicators. Zooming to 100% or switching to a slightly larger zoom level can also make the toolbar icons easier to recognize. A few quick tips for a cleaner layout. Try to keep your columns consistent by aligning their widths visually, and use the alignment options in the Format panel to center or left align text inside cells. If you're adding multiple columns, it's often easier to insert them all first and then fine-tune the widths afterward. And remember, you can always use undo to step back if something doesn't look right. That's all there is to it. You went to draw.io, searched for the table shape, inserted it onto the canvas, selected the table, and used the upper toolbar to insert a column on the left or right. You're done.